Hey guys, I'm Caleb with the Service Estimator. I also own Precision Cut Lawn Service out of the Indianapolis area. I just wanted to show you something pretty cool. So I get asked all the time by a lot of guys that tell me they don't have a website. For one, I would tell you you should have a website, but let's say you don't and you just don't ever want a website. I completely understand. Doesn't mean you don't use the Service Estimator. After you set up a website plugin that shows up on your webpage, you have the code that you can put on your website, but you also have the code that makes the page shareable. So you can copy this little link right here in the system and then go over to Facebook, for example, and actually input it in right here. And so I'm going to just edit this post real fast to show you. So right now that was the link I had there, but you just put in the link, there's that, and you click save. So now this is going to be live within Facebook to where you can provide an instant quote, whichever tool or whatever plugin you're using. So I've installed my company's fertilization program. So then when you click on it, it takes you to a landing page for the client. They can put in their info of test and jim@jim.com. And then I'll use one of our shop addresses in Greenwood. And then they can say if their yard is fenced in and then the size of their gate, right? Click go. So then it'll operate just like the plugin does on your website for your clients. So this is the property that we're at. So reorient the size. Now the property is actually 12 acres, so I'm not going to do that. I'll just show you a random map area. You just map it real fast, whatever area that they're wanting fertilized. Click the green check mark, and then right here it shows you the square feet, the cost per treatment, whether they want aeration and overseeding, and to sign up. And then they can inquire now, where then they have to put in their info if they're actually going forward and click submit. What's cool about it is it does everything. It takes you there, and it even takes you to whatever landing page or anything else you have set up. And then again, just to make sure you know what a plugin is, the plugin that you saw, this, but of a different service subset. All right, well, that was it.